Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss about the model papers for the Telangana Pharmacist. Okay, model papers for the Telangana Pharmacist. See, the subject is Pharmaceutical Chemistry. Okay, Pharmaceutical Chemistry Model Paper 1. See, the first question we are observe here. The first question we can observe here, that is, see which of the following is ester derivative local anesthetic. Okay, which of the following is ester derivative local anesthetic? Nothing but he was asking ester functional group containing local anesthetic. See, for the ester functional group containing local anesthetic, we can identify with one letter, that is I. Okay, next amide derivative. Amide derivative local anesthetic, okay, we can identify with letter I two times. Okay, two times it might be there in amide. Okay, in case of ester, one time, that is I letter will be there. So here lignocaine, okay, bupivacaine, dibuvacaine, tetracaine. In lignocaine, see what will be there here, two I letter, nothing but it is a amide derivative. Next bupivacaine, in the bupivacaine how many I letters? Two, hence it is also amide derivative. Next dibuvacaine, it is also contains two I letter, hence it is amide derivative. The last one is tetracaine, that contains single I, hence it is ester derivative. Hence it is a ester derivative local anesthetic. Okay, just one trick to identify the ester and amide local anesthetics. So the answer is tetracaine. Next, so this is the explanation part. Next question, which of the following is selective norepinephrine reuptake inhibitors? Okay, selective norepinephrine reuptake inhibitors. See, these are the some antidepressant drugs will be there. Okay, in the antidepressant drugs, different classification. One is REMOS, reversible monoamine oxidase inhibitors will be there. Next one is tricyclic antidepressant drugs. Okay, next SSRI, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. Next selective noradrenaline reuptake inhibitor drugs. Okay, here so venlafaxine, okay, venlafaxine is a drug that is selective noradrenaline reuptake inhibitor. Next citalopram and fluoxetine, both of these drugs are SSRI, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. The next one is protriptyline. See, nothing but tricyclic antidepressant. It is tricyclic antidepressants. So the answer for this one is A, that is venlafaxine. So just we can go through different drugs, that is MAO inhibitor, that is phenazine isocarbazide. Okay, next pargyline, okay, tranylcypramine, tricyclic antidepressant, amitriptyline, nortriptyline, protriptyline, and so on, like different drugs. Next selective SSRI, that is citalopram, escitalopram, fluoxetine, fluoxamine, paroxetine, and sertraline. Next selective norepinephrine reuptake inhibitor, that is venlafaxine. Okay, the next question, say ring present in fluphenazine other than phenothiazine. So phenothiazine is a drug. Okay, phenothiazine is a drug so this is a drug that contains fluorine, hence we can call it a flu. Okay, fluorine is there, that is methyl fluoro. Okay, next one is, this is a basic ring, that is phenothiazine. So this is a basic ring, that is phenothiazine. Next see, as the next ring is there, that is piperazine. Okay, the next ring that is present in this one is piperazine drug. Just we can observe the structure, then we can come to know. See, See the ring present in the fluphenazine, that is piperazine. See here, this group we can call as a piperidine. This group we can call as a piperidine. Next one is fluphenazine, sorry, piperazine. Piperazine nothing but at the opposite of the first nitrogen, what is there? Another nitrogen will be there. Hence we can call it a piperazine. Okay, piperazine. So this is the base another ring that is present in the fluphenazine. See here, CF3 moiety also there. As the next question, see heterocyclic ring present in the low pyramid. See, low pyramid is a anti-diarrheal drug. It contains chlorine moiety. Low pyramid that contains chlorine. Okay, pair nothing but piperidine. See, pair nothing but piperidine, that is PER. Next, amide moiety also there, that is low pyramid. So imidazole moiety, whether it is there, no. Pyrazole, no. Pyrrole, no. Then what might be there? That is piperidine. So in the name PER nothing but here PER might be there. So the answer for this one is piperidine ring. So if we people are observing the structure, see low nothing but chlorine is there. Okay. Next, per nothing but piperidine. Piperidine moiety is there. Next, amide group is there. So here the amide group that can be identified in the low pyramid drug. Next, what will be the correct IUPAC name for the following compound? So one of the heterocyclic compound they have given. So name we need to write. See, while we are writing the name of the heterocyclic compound, 3 parts we need to divide. Okay, prefix, stem, and suffix. So under the prefix, heteroatom, what kind of heteroatom it might be? Okay, under the stem, if it is 3-membered IR, that is tri, 4-membered ET, that is tetra. Okay, 5-membered ol, if it is 6-membered IN, ol from pyrrole, okay, IN from pyridine. Next, suffix means whether the compound is single bonded, double or triple bonded compound. These things, these 3 parts that can be mentioned for the name of heterocyclic compound. Now we can just write one thing, prefix. Okay, under the prefix, what is there here? Oxygen. So the name of the oxygen atom in the heterocyclic chemistry is oxa. For the sulfur, thia. For the nitrogen, aza. So oxa, stem 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4-membered, hence we need to write ET. Next one, suffix, means either the compound is fully saturated, no double bonds are there, hence we can write in. Okay, hence the name of the compound is oxetane. So this A can be replaced. Okay, while writing the complete name, A can be replaced. So oxetane, this is the name of this particular compound. So the oxetane. Next one, which of the following is not ideal properties of a prodrug? Okay, which of the following is not an ideal properties of a prodrug? See, prodrug, that is a combination of drug, okay, next linker will be there, followed by carrier. Okay, drug linker. So here linker nothing but it might be ester. Okay, it might be ester or amide bond. It might be the ester or the amide, because ester and amide, this can be easily metabolized in our body. So the linker probably it might be ester or amide. So what he was given, not ideal property, not a ideal property of prodrug. So here a drug and the carrier linkage must be cleaved in the in vivo, correct? See, both of this drug and carrier, this can be get degraded in vivo, nothing but within the body. Next, that is correct. Next, it should have own intrinsic pharmacological activity. No. See, the drug linker and carrier moiety do not have own pharmacological activity. Once the drug is entered into the body, then it can be metabolized into the drug. Okay, it can be metabolized into the drug and carrier. It can be metabolized into drug and carrier. So these drugs will show the pharmacological activity, but the carrier, okay, no pharmacological activity, no pharmacological activity. Getting a? So the drug, okay, the prodrug as it is, it does not have pharmacological activity. So hence the statement is it is not an ideal property. Next, the drug rapidly transforms into active form, means it can be easily converted into activated form. Okay, drug linker carrier, this can be broken again, drug plus carrier. So if the drug is available, then the drug that can be shows the pharmacological action. So it should rapidly transform active form, means it can be readily get metabolized. See, the metabolic fragments apart from the active drug should be non-toxic. Okay, apart from the drug, okay, leave the drug, then what will be there? Carrier. See, the whatever the carrier is there, that should be not toxic in nature. If it is toxic, so we cannot prefer for the formulating the prodrug. Okay, so the option for this one is, the answer for this one is B. It should have own intrinsic pharmacological activity, that is not an ideal property of a prodrug. Next, next, heterocyclic ring present in the indomethacin. Okay, see in the name itself there, indomethacin, indole methyl group, next AC nothing but acetic acid. See in the indole, what is there? Indole moiety will be there. In the indomethacin drug, what is the basic ring that might be there? That is indole, but not a imidazole, not a indolin, not a phenolin moiety. So the option for is B. Okay. So if you are observing the indomethacin, if you are observing, see the indole moiety is there, methyl group is there, correct? Where is that name? See indo. Okay, next methyl group is there. Okay, AC nothing but acetic acid. Okay, acetic acid, it might be there in the indomethacin structure. Next, an analgesic containing para-aminophenol. Okay, what he was given? See, para-amino. First we need to write the phenol. First we need to write the phenol. Okay, so this is the structure of phenol. What he was told? Para-amino means this is a para-amino. See, this is a substituent. Okay, first one is we can call it a substituent. See, this adjacent to the substituent, ortho position will be there. This both side ortho, this is a meta position, that is also meta position. So this is opposite is para position. The opposite one is para position. Okay, hence what he was given? See, para amino to the phenol para position amino group is there, that is the paracetamol. See, in the name itself it is there, para nothing but para position, acid amine. So this to this amine group, what might be there? COCH3, that is acetic acid and amine. Okay, acetyl group that is present on the amine, hence acid M, OL nothing but alcohol, OL nothing but alcohol. So this is simply indicates the name of that compound, that is paracetamol. Next, so the answer for this one is paracetamol, like salicylic acid derivative aspirin. Okay, salicylate sulfasalazine. Next, para-aminophenol, that is paracetamol and phenacetin. Okay, pyrazolidine dione derivative. Okay, phenylbutazone, and anthranylic acid derivative, mefenamic acid, meclofenamate, like that. So on the drugs, it might be mentioned under NSAIDs. Next, non-opioid derivative used in cough syrup. Okay, non-opioid derivative that can be used in cough syrup. See, non-opioid, what he was mentioned, not a opioid. See, codeine is a opioid, ethyl morphine, in the name itself it is morphine, hence it is Opiate derivative noscapine, it is a non-opiate, but buprenorphine, see here also norphine, that is morphine, it is there. So this one, these three, it contains the opiate basic ring, but when it comes to the noscapine, it is not a opiate. So the answer is noscapine. Getting a see here antitussive. Under the antitussive, opiate is under the antitussive, the opiate. See under the antitussive, the opiate derivative is codeine, folcodeine, ethylmorphine. But when it comes to the non-opiate, that is noscapine. Okay, and dextromethorphan and clofenadienol. Next, ring present in physostigmine. Okay, ring present in the physostigmine. So if benzene ring is there, okay, benzene that is fused with pyrrole, once again it is fused with pyrrole. Along with that, carbamate moiety will be there. Along with that, what is there? Carbamate moiety is there. Hence, what is the basic ring? What is the basic ring? Nothing but benzene fused with pyrrole, that is indole. Benzene that is fused with pyrrole, that is indole moiety, that is a ring present in physostigmine. Hence, the answer is indole, not a pyridine, not a pyrimidine, not a thiophene. Getting a? So here it is there. Indole is there. Once again, one pyrrole that is fused with this moiety along with methyl carbamate as a side chain. Next, drug used in organophosphate toxicity. Drug used in organophosphate toxicity. See, acetylcholine that can be metabolized into acetyl group. Okay, acetyl plus choline that can be metabolized into acetyl plus choline. Okay, in the presence of acetyl choline esterase. Okay, acetyl choline esterase. Okay, what is there? Acetylcholine esterase enzyme will be there. So so the organophosphate, okay, organophosphate that can inhibit, okay, this organophosphate that can inhibit that enzyme. So if that particular enzyme is inhibited, acetylcholine that can be metabolized into acetyl plus choline moiety. So what will happen is the metabolism that might be get stopped, so that increased concentration of acetylcholine it might be there. Correct? So this particular enzyme that can be again activated, the enzyme can be activated with the help of pyrrolidoxime. Once again, the enzyme can be inhibited with the help of organophosphate, but the enzyme is activated with the help of pyrrolidoxime. Hence, the antidote that can be used in the organophosphate toxicity or poisoning is pyrrolidoxime. Okay, the answer is pyrrolidoxime. Next question. See, Dolo can also be termed as a, see, Dolo nothing but it is a brand name. It is a brand name for which drug? For aspirin, diclofenac, paracetamol or ibuprofen. So we people are already familiar with this one. So for the paracetamol we can call it a Dolo as a brand name. Okay, other brand name, that is Pisocare, Dolo, Parabellum and paracetamol. So these are the brand names for this particular paracetamol. Okay. Next, chloro group present in which position of chlorothiazide? Okay, chloro group that can be present in which position of chlorothiazide? So benzene moiety will be there. Okay, sulfoxide, So this is a structure of chlorothiazide. See, chlor nothing but it contains chlorine, thiazide. See, thia nothing but sulfur is there here. Okay, as nothing but nitrogens are there. Correct? As nothing but ide nothing but sulfonamide. Ide nothing but sulfonamide moiety will be there in this structure. So the numbering it will start with sulfur 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8th position. So 6th position it contains the chlorine group. When comes to the 7th position it contains sulfonamide group. Hence the chloro group that can be located at C6th position. That can be located at C6th position. Okay. So the answer is C6th position. So this is the structure and these are the characteristics. Next, chlorpromazine is an antipsychotic drug possessing. Okay, what is the basic ring that can be present in the chlorpromazine? See, 2 benzene ring. Okay, 2 benzene ring. In the middle, what is there? Thiazine. CH2, 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 NCH3. So this is a structure of chlorpromazine. So the basic ring, what is the basic ring of this compound is, that is phenothiazine. Pheno nothing but phenyl group. So phenyl group. Thiazine, thia nothing but sulfur, as nothing but nitrogen. Correct? Sulfur is there, nitrogen is there. Okay. Iron nothing but 6 membered. Okay, the ring is 6 membered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the ring is 6 membered. E nothing but it is unsaturated. See, double bonds are there at the corner, double bonds are there. Hence it is, we can call as a phenothiazine is a basic ring that is present in chlorpromazine drug. Okay, next. The answer is phenothiazine. So like phenothiazine derivatives, like different things are there. Next, butyrophenones, that is allopuridol. Okay, penfluridol. Next, thioxanthin, that is thiothexin and flufenthexol. Next question, which of the following local anesthetic drugs, okay, comes under the category of anilide? That will comes under the category of anilide. See here, we need to identify anilide nothing but NH2 group. Correct? Aniline nothing but if benzene that contains, okay, benzene that contains NH2 group, this we can call as a aniline. Okay, anilide, okay, that is amide. Anilide nothing but amide. So this is contains amide. This is a ester. 1I is there. Instead is ester. Okay, this is also 1I is there. We can feel it is, sorry, 2I is there. We can feel it is amide. But when comes to the derivative, it is a benzoic acid derivative. Okay, it is a benzoic acid derivative. So but this when comes to this lidocaine, it is anilide derivative. Just we can observe the answer is lidocaine only. See here, so lidocaine, see here what is there, benzene with NH2 group. Okay, that is xylidine. So benzene with NHCO, that is anilide. Okay, anilide moiety that can be present in lidocaine, prilocaine, bupivacaine and mepivacaine. See, all are 2 I letters will be there, nothing but amide derivative. See, benzoic acid, okay, this is a benzene with carboxylic acid. Benzoic acid derivative, that is piperocaine and isobucaine. Next comes to the para-amino benzoic. See, para position amino group is there. So benzoic acid derivative, that is ester derivative. So ester derivatives. What are the example? Procaine, chlorprocaine, tetracaine, butacaine and benzocaine. Next, which anesthetic is safe for the children? Sorry, which anesthetic? Okay, which anesthetic that is safe for the children? See, ketamine, halothane, fentanyl and propofol all are general anesthetic, but which is safe in the children? Nothing but ketamine. So ketamine that is safe in the children, that is purely depends upon the stereochemistry, that is okay, enantiomeric property. Okay, next question is salicylate. Okay, sal nothing but salicylic acid, another salicylic acid, A nothing but ester linkage. Okay, A nothing but ester linkage that is present between the two salicylic acid. Hence it is a dimer of salicylic acid. Dimer, it is a one monomer, another monomer, hence dimer of salicylic acid, that is salicylate. Next, which is not a heterocyclic aromatic ring? See, furon, so furon, pyrrole, next one is thiophene. All are heterocyclic aromatic, but what he was told, not a heterocyclic. Heterocyclic nothing but heteroatom, oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen. Okay, these are the heteroatom that is present in the ring, we can call it a heterocyclic compound. But here not a heterocyclic, nothing but carbocyclic. So naphthalene is there. If you are observing the structure of naphthalene, so in the structure of naphthalene only carbon atoms are there, that is carbocyclic. Okay, hence it is a not a heterocyclic aromatic compound. Okay, next, so the answer is naphthalene only. Next, ring present in the ranitidine. Ring present in the ranitidine. See in the name itself it is there. Ran nothing but furan. See in the name furan. Okay, tidine nothing but guanidine. Okay, guanidine might be also there, hence it is tidine. So furan, that is ran. Present, furan is present in the ranitidine, but not a thiophene, not a pyrrole and not a piperidine. Hence the answer is furan only. Next, piperidine ring present in, okay, piperidine. So piperidine ring that can be present in which one of the following drug? Say methyl, okay, methyl group is there, PR. See PR, that is piperidine. Okay, methprylon. Next, allobarbital, it contains allyl group and along with barbital. Meprobamate, it contains methyl propyl group along with carbamate. Okay, next ethionamide, ethyl group will be there. Okay, thionamide. Okay, CSNH2. Hence the ring piperidine, the ring present in the methylprylon. Okay, methylprylon drug. Now we can observe the drug structures. See here, methylprylon. See methyl group is there. Okay, next one is this is a piperidine. Okay, methyl group piperidine along with one, that is ketone here. Next comes to the allyl group. Allobarbital, that may contains two allyl group. Next comes to the meprobamate. It contains methyl group CH3, that is methyl group. Okay, next one is propyl, 3 carbon containing propyl. Next carbamate. So this is a carbamate. Okay, these are the carbamate ring. Hence we can call it a meprobamate. Next, E nothing but ethyl group is there. So this one C2H5. Ethyl group, okay, thionamide, okay, sulfur containing amide. Okay, this is a thionamide. Hence the correct option for this one is methprylon. Okay, methprylon. So with this we have completed 10 MCQs that will comes under the model paper 1. That will comes under the model paper 1. Okay, thank you.